The attic has been stripped. Wires all disconnected. We need to shut down this plumbing, but we're still retaining the heat because it's really cold out right now. But we're getting ready to put up the scaffolding, take this roof out. Downstairs, we are getting ready to pull down the drywall today. So the boys are clearing everything up. Kitchen's almost fully demoed. We gotta get these appliances out here. So here they are, just cutting the tape, getting ready to pull it down. Just a little destruction. Next up, we take down this ceiling in here. Got a few things to cover up before we get to that, but we're gonna take this ceiling down here too. There's just too much plumbing that we're gonna redo and electrical and whatnot, so we need to take it down. That's next.